Traffic update at 5:30 a.m. PST, October 20th. 98 L looks like a tropical cyclone to me right now. Look at that LC convection forming over it. I mean, if trends continue, I think it will become a tropical cyclone in the next 12 hours. It is facing some westerly shear, but it's definitely on the up and up. It looks like a closed LC is forming. I'm gonna go 70% in the next 40 hours, but it's probably higher, and 90% in the next 7 days, in my opinion. The ANC went 50, 80. It's moving westward at 15 to 20 miles per hour towards the central Caribbean Sea. I expect it to slow down. Primary conditions are becoming more favorable. A depression will form, very likely. Um, yeah, at 12.7 north, 65.1 west. Um, ASCAT passed last night show southwesterly winds too. It's going to move westward in the next 48 hours, then potentially northward or northwestward. We'll have to see, but models are definitely indicating it's taking it more northward. GEFS 6C also shows it's actually recurring into Haiti, then northeastward, becoming dropping to 975 in the Atlantic, but potentially a borderline hurricane by landfall in Haiti. GPS is slightly westward into Cuba, but also becomes a hurricane. Most likely, some neighbors still take it westward. Intensity, definitely tropical storm by 12 to 24 hours, strengthening to a hurricane by 60. Yeah, probably 70 to 85 knots. You believe that the means of this? Uh, yeah. Here are some models. Here's GPS ZLZ, which was earlier for 180 hours. Here's EPS for 180 hours, which is vastly further west. I expect this to actually trend more eastward because obviously GFS. Yeah, let's look at the enablers. ECMWF is insisting on the more eastward trend. I mean, this isn't in yet. Here's 48 hours, uh, 72 hours, 96 hours, 126 hours in the Atlantic. We got kind of a system in the Asia Pacific too. We're watching. ANC is insisting with 50%. Um, CMC hasn't backed down either. I mean, we got one hell of a quandary, but I think we have a obviously, but I'm starting to think Haiti is probably the landfall spot for this system. If I had to guess, but there's enough divergence in the models which makes one seriously have some doubts about this. There's strong uncertainty. Because here's the ECMWF at 180. Let's see the icon at 120. Our other sister watching is in the Eastern Pacific near the Gulf of Pack. It's moving westward at 10 to 15 miles per hour. At 10% in the next 2 days, 50% in the next 7. Let's see. Here it is. It's starting to form some convection. Of course, it's not an invest. I mean, so we don't got easy models. But anyway, I think it's there's some enablers for it right there. There's GEFS up to 48. Well, that's your tropical date.